Happy morning, children. Today we will learn a new chapter, chapter number 8, Winds, Storms and Cyclones. Before entering into our chapter in detail, let us learn some definitions and explanations regarding these topics about winds, storms and cyclones. So it will be easy for us to understand the concept. Let's discuss about wind first. Already we know moving air is called wind and caused by differences in air pressure within our atmosphere. So wind is caused by differences in the air pressure within our atmosphere. So air under high pressure moves towards the areas of low pressure. The greater the difference in air pressure, the faster the air flows. Winds range from light breeze to natural hazards such as hurricanes and tornadoes. So hurricanes and tornadoes also are known as wind with a high speed. Okay, they leads to natural hazards. Next we'll move on to storm. A storm is a violent meteorological phenomena in which there is a heavy rain and wind due to moisture in the air. Hail and lightning are also common in storm. Here we can say that hail is a frozen raindrop. So here storm also is a different form of wind with a high speed. Next we'll discuss about cyclones. A storm or system of winds that rotates about a center of low atmospheric pressure and that moves forward at a speed of 20 to 30 miles, that is 30 to 50 in kilometers for an hour, and often brings heavy rain. So this is known as storm. When warm moist air over the ocean rises upward from near the surface, a cyclone is formed. So here we can see how cyclone is formed. When warm and moist air over the ocean rises upward from near the surface, a cyclone is formed. When the air rises up and away from the ocean surface, it creates an area of low air pressure. Okay. When the air rises up and away from the ocean surface, it creates an area of lower air pressure below. Due to this, cyclone is formed. So here cyclone also is a different form of wind with a high speed. Okay, different speed. Let us get back to our textbook now. Okay. Orissa was hit by a cyclone with a wind speed of 200 km per hour on 18th October 1999. The cyclone smashed 40,000 houses, making 7 lakh people homeless. On 29th October the same year, a second cyclone with a wind speed of 260 km per hour hit Orissa again. It was accompanied by water waves about 9 meters high. Thousands of people lost their lives. Property worth crores of rupees was destroyed. The cyclone affected agriculture, transport, communication and electricity supply. Though the cyclone is a natural phenomena, it destroys the life of people and it affects the life of people in many ways. Okay, agriculture, transport, communication and even electricity supply also has been disconnected. So people in that places had suffered a lot. Okay. In this chapter, we are going to learn in detail about how cyclones are formed, what are cyclones and what are the effects caused by cyclone, and how can we identify the different forms of air that leads to natural disasters like a cyclone, storms, hurricane, tornadoes, like that. Okay, that and all we are going to deal in this lesson later. Okay. Thank you, children.